They'll Cipher Trust Security Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get enterprise security wrong. They think encryption is enough. They'll Cipher Trust is a data protection platform that goes far beyond basic encryption, and the surprising truth is how it integrates visibility, control, and compliance in one solution. You won't believe how much it can simplify securing sensitive data across cloud and on-premises environments. Here's how it works. Cipher Trust offers encryption, key management, tokenization, and access control for structured and unstructured data. Organizations can discover sensitive data, apply policies, and track usage across multiple platforms. The interface centralizes management, making it easier for IT teams to enforce security and meet regulatory requirements. For example, a company handling credit card data can encrypt files, manage encryption keys securely, and monitor access across cloud storage, all from a single dashboard. Most people get this wrong. They assume security tools are siloed, but Cipher Trust integrates multiple layers of protection. Additional features include automated key rotation, granular user access control, and support for hybrid cloud environments. Compliance with GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS is built into reporting, which reduces administrative overhead. However, there are considerations. Implementation can be complex for smaller teams, and ongoing management requires trained personnel. Most people assume security platforms are plug-and-play. Proper configuration is key to effectiveness. In conclusion, Cipher Trust is ideal for enterprises needing robust, centralized, and compliance-ready data security. Its comprehensive approach to encryption, access control, and visibility makes it a top choice for protecting sensitive information across any environment. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of enterprise security solutions.